Dealerships will also try to sell you protection packages and results of theft. And they'll go out there and like, hey, if your car ever does get stolen, it pays you $2,500, it pays you $5,000. Well, tell them to give you 4 references of customers who've ever made that claim. And they can't. There's 0. They'll tell you that there's a story from 20 years ago, but it's exactly that. It's a story. It can't be validified. And that's not their customer. They heard it from someone else. These theft protection packages are typically called VIN etching, which you can get if you want your VIN etched or a identifier mark on your car etched onto the glass. You can buy it for pennies on the dollar at Amazon. But they also have data dots, which is trash. And they also have what I just recently did a video on was catalytic converter theft etching. That's another new fear. You don't need it. Number 1, police officers don't have any type of equipment to show that this car belongs to you. They're not going to do it. Police officers, I know you follow me. I have a thin blue line flag right up there for a reason. I have police officers in my family. They don't look for stuff like this. Thieves don't care about anything like this. It's usually $200, $300, $400, $500, and it's just, again, a pure profit center for the dealership, but you fall for it every time, so just say no.